Hello everyone, I am Sohra from AgriStuff, and today I want to show you a NuGet to use OxyPlot different series. I want to show you different series. This is a NuGet package and you can add it in NuGet Package Manager. You should add this NuGet package, and after you add the NuGet package, you can have it in the XML file in main window. You can add it here and add the plot view here. And I have 4 button and I want to use the click button, click event of the button to show you the different series. This is the click event of any of buttons. This is sample data at the first of the event. And you can change some options here. Firstly, I define a model. And I use 4 methods to add different series to the model. This is LineSeries, and I added here. Firstly, I should define a model, and after that, I can change some items like title, and after add series you can change the title of series and the legends, and after all of them you should assign the model to the plot view model. This is LineSeries and this is ScatterSeries. ScatterSeries is same as LineSeries, but I add ScatterSeries using the method. The method is here, and this is BarSeries. Also the BarSeries and ColumnSeries and ScatterSeries have the methods here. This is ColumnSeries. ColumnSeries have a 2-dimensional X and 2-dimensional Y. 2-dimensional Y variable here. And you can add the ColumnSeries by using this method and X and Y as a horizontal axis and vertical axis. Now I want to start the project and show you the result. It is extremely easy. This is LineSeries and this is ScatterSeries with using random numbers. This is BarSeries, and also this is ColumnSeries. It has 2 series data. Okay. I will add the link of these codes and project in the description of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel to get more video about WPF. Thanks.